Mathematics behind the different patterns in nature. Mathematics is the science that deals with the logic of shape, quantity, and arrangement. It is the abstract form of science. Nature is replete with pattern, sequence, and structures that displays an astonishing level of mathematics elegance. Mathematics can be found in everywhere. One common way you can see mathematics in nature is through patterns. Patterns is useful in allowing you to observe relationships where you can find continuous connections. Patterns involved in symmetry fractal spirals tessellation. Now here's the example of different patterns. Symmetry, the quality of being made up exactly similar parts facing each other or around an axis. Examples of symmetry. Fractals, a curve or geometric figure, each part of which has the same statistical character as the whole. Example of fractals. Spirals, a curve which emanates from a point moving farther away as it revolves around the point. Examples of spirals. Tessellations is an example of repeating patterns where shapes fit together in a way that leaves no space in between. Examples of tessellations. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Sandara Jean KBS, the SBAMM to C. Mathematics in the Modern World.